Welcome back, my subscribers. Mad Brad's Customs, coming to you from underneath this Ford 62 model Falcon 289, big old camshaft. Oh yeah. And the problem was, and I think I told you, the rear main seal was leaking. So anyway, the only way you can get that rear main seal out, and it's not anything but pulling the main cap for the crank off, and then you cannot get this top one out. You can, it's in two pieces, so you can, I don't know if you can see it good, but there is a split right there. You can use a little heavy wire maybe and punch it all the way through and around. Yeah, but the easiest thing to do is go ahead and loosen all your main caps all the way to the front. Take the oil pump off, and let me tell you, the crankshaft will drop down just enough so that you could take the old seal from the bottom, and you take that old seal from the bottom and stick right into that. This here, you can see the main seal end, and it's aluminum or something like that with rubber around it, and you could tap it right on around and out, and lubricate with WD-40 or something, and put the other one back in, and then clean everything up, put the bottom half on, lubricate it, and do not forget to put some silicone on those joints where they meet up, just to help out. Yes. Now, don't be a dummy and do like I did. I totally got oil. I got a new transmission, so I got transmission fluid. I think you can see that transmission sitting right there. The other one's on the jack. I had the flywheel cleaned and turned. Anyway, don't do like I did. I was ready yesterday, getting work, did all this work, ready to put it all back together. And I forgot about the gasket that goes on top of the high volume oil pump. Well, called everywhere in the world yesterday afternoon. Nobody had one. I had an AutoZone tell me, well, we'll have it here 9 o'clock tomorrow morning.